Hello guys, here is the match Chasers versus Chess Lovers. A player from Chess Lovers is Laukush123 and from Chasers is Kida. So let's see how interesting is the match is. Laukush is playing black and Kida is playing white. So Chess Lovers are leading the series of 5 matches. Generally, the chess lovers win 2 matches before, and if its match shows draw, then the next opportunity to the chasers. The Kida plays e4. Now waiting to reply from Laukush. He is not active. Here is the suspector's room. The suspector, so good luck. Laukush replied to e5. Knight goes to g3, black knight goes to g6, sorry b6, attacking on black pawn. Here is the game with 30 minutes with 0 increment. Generally, if you move fast, then no increment in the time. The timer starts from Kida. He is not act. Oh, he's he's playing bishop c4. Black play knight d4. Let's see. B. Knight captures, pawn captures knight at d4. Queen f3. Knight f6. Attacking on pawn at e4. Let's see. e5 and black moved the queen to e7, protecting his king. Now white play castle. Bishop back at, sorry, knight back at g8. The development of black is too late from now. Let's see. People saying take your time, guys, it's 30 minutes. Actually, it is very much time to think and play the move for. Both the players are very. The Kida's rating is 1500 and Laukush is 1386. Both players are online now. Madable says, can the player see the comment? Yes, they can. Now see what's happened here. Developing the pieces are, let's see, the move is for white. White have to save this pawn of e5. No protection for the pawn e5. People take the time to think and move. Kita's rating is high, about 114, but Laukus is from Chess Lovers. He show the tough. But before this match, Chess Lovers win 2 matches before. That means the series of 5 matches leading Chess Lovers from 2. 2 wins are there. The 2 wins matches are available on the Chess Lovers official channel on the YouTube. You can watch the videos. Let's see what happened next. Five minutes are over from now, but no reply from Kida. Is he playing? Yes, move something. He plays rook f1 to e1. Then black plays the pawn to, again the white plays the pawn, attacking on the pawn d4. The simple pawn exchange is here. It's a quite blunder if the pawn f6 not move further to f5. If white take the pawn at f6, it would be quite blunder. 3 comments are there, so we can't discuss white display nicely. I'm sure they can, guys. No, leave that comments now. If white takes the pawn e5 to f6, then what will happen next? But there is no support for the rook e1, so white can't take e6, e1 to ef6. The pawn exchange are done here. White takes d2 to d3. Pawn of d7 to d6, attacking on the same pawn. But what will happen? White can't take f6 or d6 because it is going to be checkmate, and Kida already know this. People can't suggest the move. Why? Check to the Yeah, prevent the check from bishop to d7. But black yet not castle. What happened? Just we have to see. White can't take pawn of f6 and d6. Generally 10 minutes are over from the start of the match. This move is for Kida. The one pawn of black is unsecured at b7 is actually unprotected. So yeah, my assumption is right. Kida take the pawn at b7, attacking on the same bishop at d7, rook at c8. Now is move for Kida. Just see the time difference. Kida is at 21 minutes left and Laukush is just 28 minutes. Now both the players are quite silent. Let's see who will gonna win this match. If Laukush win, then the series win chess lovers. Series name is named chess lovers. But this match, oh, take and bishop takes, queen takes, bishop, white's bishop at d7. Let's see. Now white can take, yes, check on direct check e1 to e7, king move one move to e7 to d7. Here is a queen exchange at d7. Let's see. Both players are equal in pieces. White have to chance to take pawn at f7 or g7. I think f7, g7 is better options. What will happen? Let's. Some people are supporting Kid. Hussein take back. Queen take rooks was better. No, it's not like I told you gonna be miniature direct what. Oh, so leave this. 14 minutes are done from now. This move is for Kida. 19 minutes are left, but CD Locus just 2 minutes and 8 seconds he just wasted. This move is from Kida. Actually, both the players are equal in pieces, so no need to worry. But the pawn structure of black is scattered and castles is not done. So, It moves from theta. It's what is equal to lessons. Don't exchange when you are ahead in development. Keep the pressure. Yeah, it's good. Action is good. And also thinking that keep your opponent in pressure. Yes. Bishop at white bishop at g5. Black takes f6 pawn. Attacking on bishop at g5. White bishop at f4. What will happen next? Bishop at h6, attacking on bishop at f4. This will quite simple exchange here. I think white takes the bishop at h6. Someone says you'd wanna paralyze the love. Let's see, both the players are very interesting. The ratings is not very high, so bishop at g3. The scatter pawn structures of black. Black takes knight to e7. I think it's 30 minutes match. It means total 1 hours. If the quite simple exchange, bishop attacking on the f6 pawn, unsecured pawn. Black pawns are useless at the end game. I'll discuss. Lokush want to exchange the bishop. Let's Kira want or not. Bishop at, yeah. The scattered pawn structure of black. Black want to worry about attacking on knight at d2 or pawn at b1. If I were black, I would resign soon. White takes knight to e4 and white's b2 pawn is unsecured, but he'll not interested. Let's see. f3 was better. I agree. f3. Oh. Attacking on the pawn at b4. Yeah, it's quite easy. White save his pawn at b2. Black move the pawn at d5, attacking on the knight e4. Same movements, check, white gives check to black, moving his knight e4 to c5. I think Lokush want to take his rook at f2 after preventing this knight. b5, bad move. Actually, take c5 na. Okay, but black pawn structure are very bad. We can't say just in gain for him. Black takes king to e8. Now I surely say that black rook coming to f2. Not sure, but it can be. Kida loses half of time. If it's match of 15 minutes with zero increment, now Kida just lose this match. This is series win match from Chess Lovers and opening match, winning match from Chessers. F3, F3, not just 23 minutes are done. Time is going off. The 30 minutes are remaining for Kida. Now both the player are thinking. Just we say that. I think after the white can move his pawn f2 to f3. It can nice move. The people suggesting their own review on this match. But which opening is this, guys? Please suggest in the comments. I don't remember black's opening. Yeah, my assumption is right. f3 from white. Yeah, black. G4. Pawn of G5 to G4. Yeah, he took pawn at G4. Yes, I surely say that black want to place his rook at F2. He did it. Now he want to get sure check. White places, yeah, check. I know that his check is going to be done. Again check at F2. I think it's checkmate or not. White should stop defending and create prepared on attack. Come on. Nice from Lokush. Best of luck. This is clear cut checkmate. Now, if you like the video, do subscribe, share. And this is an interesting match. I want to take review on that. From this F3, this is a blunder. Not if this is not secure place. Kida checkmate here. So chess lovers win the series 3-0. Bad luck for cheesers. People are still commenting. Pawn gambler, who is my opponent. Right the way. Nice game. Do subscribe the video if you like, and suggest the both the opening from black and from white in comment section. Thank you.